15 years ago, I bought this GTA car 1973 Black, and even after all these years, it continues to stand as one of the most striking machines I've ever owned. There's something about this car that captures not only the spirit of the 1970s but also the timeless emotion of driving. It's not just a vehicle, it's a story on wheels. Every time I look at it, I'm reminded of why I fell in love with cars in the first place: the sound, the design, and the raw connection between man and machine. The exterior of the GTA 1973 Black is the first thing that takes your breath away. Its bold presence and muscular stance make it instantly recognizable as a classic from the golden age of performance cars. The black paint has aged beautifully, still maintaining a mirror-like gloss that reflects the world around it. Every line and curve of the body speaks of craftsmanship that modern design often overlooks. The front end features that signature wide grille and perfectly round headlights that carry the pure DNA of 1970s automotive art. It's aggressive but elegant, powerful yet balanced. The chrome trims glisten like jewelry, perfectly framing the deep black finish. The long hood stretches out proudly, giving the car an unmistakable grand touring profile. The wide fenders and slightly raised rear quarter panels add that muscular flair that hints at the power beneath. Even the side mirrors and door handles have a character of their own: metal, not plastic, built to last and designed with pride. The dual exhausts at the back deliver a visual promise of the thunderous sound they release when the engine comes to life. This car doesn't just sit quietly, it makes a statement even when it's standing still. Over the years, I've kept the GTA 1973 in as original condition as possible. The steel body, the vintage badges, the classic wheels, everything has been carefully preserved to keep its authenticity alive. You can tell it was made in an era when cars were built to be bold, not just beautiful. It's a perfect blend of power and design philosophy, a timeless example of what a true driver's car should look like. When we talk about performance, this car defines raw driving pleasure. Under the hood lies a powerful V8 engine that still delivers the same heart-pounding excitement it did decades ago. The sound alone is enough to remind you that you're dealing with something real, something mechanical and alive. There are no computers managing the power, no driving assists, just your hands, your feet, and a roaring beast waiting to be unleashed. The acceleration feels honest and direct, with torque that pushes you back in your seat the moment you hit the throttle. The steering is weighty and mechanical, giving you complete control and feedback from the road. Every corner demands attention, every gear shift feels like a conversation with the car. The suspension setup may not be as smooth as modern vehicles, but that's the beauty of it: you feel every bump, every vibration, every heartbeat of the engine. It's a driving experience that modern technology can't replicate. This car isn't built for luxury, it's built for passion. The interior, though simple by today's standards, has its own charm. Opening the door feels like stepping back in time. The black leather seats still hold their shape, carrying the subtle scent of vintage upholstery. The dashboard is pure 1970s design: analog gauges, chrome switches, and a wooden steering wheel that instantly connects you to the soul of the car. There's no digital display, no screen, just classic simplicity. The cockpit layout wraps around the driver, creating a feeling of command and confidence. After 15 years of ownership, I've realized that the GTA car 1973 Black is more than just a machine, it's a part of my life. It has survived the test of time, carrying memories of countless drives and moments that no new car could ever replace. It represents an era of authenticity, when driving was about emotion, not efficiency. Even today, when I start that engine, it feels like the first time: powerful, thrilling, and unforgettable. This car doesn't just transport me to places, it transports me back to a time when cars had character, soul, and purpose. The GTA 1973 Black remains a timeless legend, and owning it has been one of the best decisions I've ever made.